Hey everyone, Agent Byte here, and Happy New Year 2019. Man, new year already. So, a fresh new year, fresh new logo, and a fresh new design revamp for the channel. So, before starting this year, let's take a look back at what happened last year in 2018. So, last year I started the channel. There were 22 videos uploaded, which added to a total view count of more than 45,000, which in turn added to a total watch time of more than 112,000 minutes, or more precisely, more than 1900 hours of watch time. That's a lot to count. I created a website for the channel, ag2pie.com, and the channel got its own YouTube URL, that is youtube.com/abhigyan And not forgetting the awesome and superb community that we have built over the past 6 months. So 260 plus YouTube subscribers, 60 followers on Instagram, and 6 followers on Twitter. But seriously guys, thanks for watching my content and thanks for supporting me. Thank you so much. And as a return, I am naming this community of ours that we have built over the last 6 months, Byte Squad. Raise your hand if you have a better name. Put your hand down. You don't. So welcome to 2019. I promise there is a lot more fun and a lot more information and a lot more, basically everything this year compared to the last year. Now I'll try to make every video that I make this year better than the last year or better than the previous video I make, so wish me luck. In fact, in the last month I uploaded only 2 videos on the channel because I was practicing some stuff that would make this video making process more fun for me to make and more fun for you to watch. Now I'll also try to smile more often in these videos because a lot of you have been complaining about my extremely serious look in the videos. Okay, that's for this one. See you in the first content video of this year in a couple of days. Up till then, keep watching because this is AG2Byte and you are Byte Squad.